Find the derivative of y equals to 2x minus 4 times 3x plus 2, A, by using the product rule, B, by taking the product first and differentiating the result. In A, we're going to make use of the product rule. Y is the product of two functions, the first, 2x minus 4, and the second, 3x plus 2. To find the derivative y prime, which is dy dx, we're going to make use of the product rule here, which is the derivative of the first. The derivative of 2x constant times x will be the constant, that's a 2. The derivative of negative 4, which is a constant with no x, is a 0. Derivative of the first times the second left alone plus the first left alone times the derivative of the second. The derivative of the second will be derivative of constant times x. 3 times x will be the constant, 3. The derivative of the 2 with no x will be a 0, so we will just have a 3. We can distribute the 2 in to the first expression. 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times a positive 2 is a positive 4. And we can distribute the 3 into the second expression. 3 times 2x is a 6x. And 3 times a negative 4 is a negative 12. And we can then combine like terms together. So y prime, or dy dx, equals to 6x and 6x can combine to be 12x. And the 4 and the minus 12 can combine to be minus 8. Now in part B, another option is to take the product first if possible, and then differentiate that result. So we have 2x minus 4 times 3x plus 2. We can take this product by foiling this. First, 2x times 3x will be 6x squared. Outside, 2x times a positive 2 is a positive 4x. Inside, negative 4 times a 3x will be a negative 12x. And last, negative 4 times a positive 2 will be a negative 8. Combined together like terms, we have that for our second and third terms. 6x squared, 4 minus 12 is negative 8x, and then minus 8. And now we can differentiate this result. Since these terms are being combined by subtraction, we can take the derivative of each independently and combine the results by subtraction. So y prime, which is dy dx, the first term will follow the power rule, bring the power down, multiply with the 6, and subtract 1 from the power. 2 minus 1 is 1. X, so 1 we'll call x. The second term is a constant times x, and the derivative of that will be the constant, so just negative 8. And then the third term is a constant with no x. The derivative of that will be a 0. For the first term in our derivative, 6 times 2 is 12. It's 12 times x minus 8. And as you can see, that matches the result we had in part A. The method doesn't matter. You should always have the same result in the end. 12x minus 8 for the derivative.